Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you 5 best free driver updater tools for Windows that help keep your PC drivers updated for better performance and stability. Now let's get started. Number 1 is Driver Booster. This tool automatically finds outdated drivers that may cause errors or slow performance. It is commonly used to improve gaming and system stability. This scan reviews components like graphics, audio, and network devices. It also helps fix bugs, improve compatibility, and enhance overall system speed without manual searching. Number 2, Snappy Driver Installer. It can run without full installation and works even offline. It is often preferred by technicians. This app allows the program to identify drivers that are not installed or need updates, and also gives you control to update only specific components like audio or chipset drivers. Number 4 is Drivers Cloud. This is an online-based tool that analyzes your system through a secure detection utility. After running the hardware detection scan by downloading and launching its small detector file, which collects information about your PC components safely. Reviewing the recommended driver updates shown on the web page, you can see which drivers are outdated and why they are needed. It downloads and installs the suggested drivers manually, ensuring your hardware like graphics card or motherboard works properly. Coming in at number 4, we have Driver Talent. This software specializes in fixing corrupted, missing, or incompatible drivers. It can also check every connected device for issues and help you understand which components may be causing problems, and can update or repair to fix the drivers automatically, which can resolve crashes, sound issues, or internet problems. The last one, number 5, is Quick Driver Updater, a simple tool designed for beginners to manage driver updates easily. It can allow you to search for outdated drivers and ensure your system runs smoothly and hardware functions correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.